Look at him, you see? Oh, how nice.
Man, that was a big mother.
He is.
They must be together, huh?
He's pigeon-toed. That's got to be either the mother, that's the dad and that's your mother, or that's the mother and that's the baby. I can't tell which it was. It looked a little big for a female to me.
Well, I don't know.
She still didn't go in the woods yet.
No, she's still
There
there.
she goes, following the same path the other one.